I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer in 2005.
I was referred to General Hospital by City Clinic after testing positive about 2 years ago.
I started coming to General Medical Clinic, where I saw a regular doctor on a regular basis.
And I've basically been with CARE since about 2004. That's about the day and the year I found out I had a rare form of brain cancer.
Paramedics came, we talked to Chris's mom, and basically I figured the fastest route and the best route to care for him was to just get him in his mom's car and come back to San Francisco General.
On any given day, 20% of all the patients that are hospitalized in San Francisco are hospitalized at San Francisco General Hospital. The San Francisco General Hospital is as real as it gets. Important for people to recognize the significance of care we provide to in non-traumatic injury. We provide ongoing chronic health care to over 100,000 separate lives.
Education, it's crucial to your survival. When you know what's going on, how to address it, what resources are available for you, then you don't feel that you're alone in your battle to live.
When you have a disease like diabetes, you want to keep it under control. And the only way to keep it under control is to meet with others.
Things like diabetes, heart failure, hypertension, they're relatively common now, and they're relatively common in the communities that we are more likely to serve.
I don't feel like I'm sick, even though I might feel every now and then I feel not well. I don't feel excluded. And I think that has a lot to do with being in this city, being at this hospital, and around the people I am.
Health is bigger than just taking care of people.
I don't know what it's like to be a soldier who's come home from war. What I do know is what it's like to be a cancer patient who's walked through the battlefield of chemotherapy and radiation. And that really can throw a lot of emotion, a lot of difficulties onto you. And by being able to talk just like a vet with other chemotherapy and other cancer patients, you could find out what it takes to get through it. Without CARE, honestly, I don't know what I would have done. Honestly, I can honestly say that I probably would have just been lost.
My only anchor has really been the ward, and the doctors and nurses and everyone who works there, because I don't have any other resources.
And that's exactly the type of thing that the foundation is funding. And it, generally speaking, is not funded by insurance plans or the basic care delivery.
It's an act of love for people to be here at work.
I feel truly blessed that I have had the privilege of meeting and being cared for by such wonderful people, and I pray that the services will continue.
You know, it's almost like you supporting San Francisco General Hospital, supporting the entire city.
I think so. I think people who give to San Francisco General Hospital, that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to give to the entire city.
I do owe a lot to the ward, and I do thank them for everything that they've given me.
So thanks for helping me out a whole lot, everybody.
I would like to give a heartfelt thank you to all the staff here at San Francisco General,